Guys, check this out. Okay, the stock market went completely insane today. Apart from Bionano Genomics closing about minus 1 point something percent, the stock market went absolutely insane today. Check this out, guys. So in this video, I want to share with you guys how short sellers are driving the share price of Bionano Genomics down, okay, and why I believe the mother of all short squeeze is about to happen. This right now is an historical moment, guys. Now check this out. Today we have Bionano Genomics closing about minus 1 point something percent. Meanwhile, while we have the likes of Apple, Microsoft, Google, Tesla is down almost 10% today, guys. I mean, today was absolutely historical. Now in this video, I want to share with you guys the put call ratio historical level. I want to share with you guys what short sellers are doing, and I want to share with you guys the new filings that we are seeing about short sellers. In my most recent video, I shared this with you guys. Okay, the CBOE equity put / call ratio is at historical level. Go and see the video that I just posted most recently. Now if you take a look at this, guys, these are the new filings, the NP filings, okay, on Bionano Genomics. If you go to Fintel, okay, but there is something that is going on that I would love to share with you guys in this video. Okay, now check this out, guys. If you take a look at this, we have a new filing from the likes of US small cap equity fund class Y short. Okay, this is a short position, minus 113,237 shares, minus 18.51 shares changes. Now the thing is, if you take a look at this position, okay, I mean, this is one of the reasons why the share price of Bngo has been going down. But that is not only what I want to show you guys in this video. Now if you take a look at this Shatter Oak Capital Management LLC, okay, this guys right here, they filed their 13F couple of days ago, and they said they dumped everything in Bionano Genomics. What I don't understand is, okay, now take a look at this hedge fund, or should I just say a fund, Shatter Oak COCM LLC, okay, they presently hold 0 shares of Bionano Genomics. But if you go to their holding historically, you guys can see that they started with just 200 shares of Bionano Genomics, okay, and this firm right here, the capital, they are running the business with $624 million US. So how is it possible that a fund with a portfolio value of $624 million US is only investing, just buying 200 shares of a company? I mean, this is insane. Now I want to show you guys what has been going on with Bionano Genomics. Okay, if you take a look at the short interest on BNGO, it has gone absolutely insane. We are right now at historical level. Off exchange short volume ratio 70.22%, guys, 70.22%. Off exchange short volume 1.7 million shares. I mean, look at this. Short interest percentage float 14.49%. Short interest ratio 5.15 days to cover. I mean, what is going on, guys? If you go further down a little bit, you guys can see what has been going on. Look at that. It used to be at a maximum of 67 back in 9th of this month, but right now, yesterday it got to 70.22. I mean, this is insane. Who are the people involved in driving the share price of this company down? I mean, is it all this, I mean, we have analysts covering Bionano Genomics, okay, and like I already made a video, I already showed you guys that some of them, are like, most of them are working hand in hand with Bionano Genomics. Whenever Bionano Genomics, for example, wants to dilute shares, what is going on? I mean, and the thing is, we are now at historical level, okay, 70.22%. FINRA short volume ratio is massive. I expect a mother of all mothers of short squeeze to happen very soon on the share price of Bionano Genomics. Take a look at what has been going on with the entire market. Okay, for those of you wondering why BNGO is down below $2 US, I mean, this is a perfect example of what is going on right now. I mean, if you take a look at 1 year performance of the stock market, you guys can see, apart from energy, healthcare, every other thing, and consumer defensive, of course, every other thing has been suffering massively, okay, since the beginning of the year. But luckily today, BNGO closed minus 1.86%. okay, we closed at $1.58 US. I mean, we need to keep holding that 1.5 years dollars level. Okay, we need to keep holding it. We hope it's, I mean, it has to keep providing, it has to keep giving us a very strong support. Take a look at the likes of Tesla, minus 8.88% today. Okay, Tesla is a profitable company. So what do you want to say about Bionano Genomics that is still trying, okay, to push out to install more Sapphire devices in all those research laboratories out there, trying to even break even. Right now, we are bringing in about, let's say, 20 something million US dollars, okay, per year. Okay, and then we are still spending about over 50 million US dollars per year. When are we going to break even? I'm still going to make a lot of videos, sharing more details with you guys about what is going on with BNGO, when I believe they are going to be, when they are going to break even, when they are going to be profitable. So in my opinion, guys, we are at record levels. Okay, I believe there is a massive short squeeze coming. Nobody's going to know when it's going to come in. It's going to be a breaking news that nobody expects. Okay, because right now the market sentiment is absolutely down. I mean, I have never, since I started to invest in the stock market, okay, since 2016 or so, I have never experienced anything like this before. Okay, I mean, even if you take a look at oil price, it has been going down. Okay, even natural gas has been going down. Okay, and then we have the stock market also going down. Meanwhile, they keep saying the economy is very strong. Okay, the job market is very strong. What is going to happen next? Nobody knows. Nobody knows when it's going to happen. But I can assure you, I mean, that massive short squeeze, in my opinion, is still coming. Okay, so BNGO closed today. We closed very well today. Okay. Now, if you take a look at this, we closed at 1.58 US dollars. Okay, which of course, in my opinion, is still very good. The support held strong today. I think Bionano Genomics is going to drop a breaking news any moment from now. Okay, we still want to see the commercial version of the next generation Sapphire device with high throughput, very fast, and I think that is going to help the share price of BNGO positively, because it's been a while since we saw a breaking news, a positive breaking news from Bionano Genomics. Apart from that breaking news about acquisition of Purigen and all this reshipping and the chief informatics officer, Dr. Shams. Okay, we need a massive breaking news from BNGO. Okay, that I believe, in my opinion, is going to help the share price of the company to break to the upside. And if you guys remember correctly, I used to have $3 US price target on BNGO. End of year, we got to my price target last month, and then reshipping resigned. We acquired Purigen, and then here we are today. So we need a positive news, okay, so that we can at least approach my $3 US. For those of you that want to know what my new end of year price target is, consider becoming member of my Patreon. Okay, it costs about $3 US every month, minimum $3 US every month. So this is what is happening with BNJ right now. I still love what I am seeing, and of course I'm going to be sharing more information with you guys because my 3 weeks holiday just started. Ciao ciao.